BGS Technic introduces our practical toolbox in well-known professional quality. 4 drawers mounted on ball-bearing slide rails ensure sufficient storage space for your tools. The smooth-running drawers are fully extendable, allowing you to reach everything comfortably. The drawers are individually secured and the integrated pull-out catch prevents the drawers from slipping out. The lid opens easily and safely through the hydraulic spring, which prevents unintended closing. The contents are protected against unauthorized access by the central locking system. Robust handles are attached on the sides for easy transportation, even without workshop trolleys. This toolbox can optionally be attached to the professional BGS workshop trolley Model 4111, the little rugged assistant from BGS Technic for your workshop and on the road.